Welcome. If you're looking to keep your Discord notifications tidy and only see message previews for unread DMs, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to show message previews for unread DMs only on Discord Mobile. Updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your user settings. Next, you'll see a list of options. Look for the gear icon labeled Settings and tap on it. This is where you can customize all sorts of things about your Discord experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section called Appearance. Go ahead and tap on Appearance. This menu lets you tweak how Discord looks and feels on your device. Inside the Appearance settings, you'll see an option labeled DM List Message Previews. This is what controls how message previews show up in your direct messages list. Tap on this option to open it. Here, you'll see a few choices. To only see message previews for unread DMs, select the option that says Unread DMs Only. This means you'll only get a sneak peek of messages you haven't read yet, keeping your DM list clean and focused. Once you've selected Unread DMs Only, make sure to save your changes. Usually, Discord will save automatically, but it's always a good idea to double-check before you exit the settings. And that's it. You've now set up Discord Mobile to show message previews only for unread DMs. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you're part of a lot of servers or have a busy inbox. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Discord experience.